Ticks. Ticks are commonly found in plants as well as brush, as well as can attach to and also bite individuals and also pets. Their bites are not harmful. Nonetheless, these insects can carry significant diseases including Lyme disease as well as Rocky-Mounted spotted fever. Most generally, ticks attach to warm, moist, as well as hard-to-see parts of the body including the scalp, underarms, groin, skin folds, and other hairy areas. Ticks has to be gotten rid of effectively to reduce the opportunities of infection from these bugs. Wear ideal clothing outdoors to decrease exposure. Use tick repellent with DEET. Look for ticks on your body if you hang out in the woods. Lyme disease. A Lyme disease triggering bacterium is carried in the bug bite of the deer tick in the northeastern, mid-Atlantic, and also north-central United States, or the western black-legged tick on the Pacific coastline. In most cases, the tick and insect regarding 3 to 5 mm long should be attached 36 to 48 hours to spread Lyme condition. A round, red, expanding rash, erythema migrans, or a bull's-eye breakout might be among the initial signs of Lyme illness. Other signs and symptoms consist of fatigue, chills, fever, headache, muscle mass and also joint aches, and also swollen lymph nodes. Treatment in the early stages with prescription antibiotics is generally effective. Poisonous black widow spiders. Black widows have to do with 1/2 inch wide, with a shiny, black, globular abdominal areas that has the distinctive red shapely on the bottom. Just the female of the species attacks people. They live throughout the United States, yet a lot of are located in the southerly regions. Black widow bites. Black widow crawler bite signs normally begin 20 minutes to 1 hour following the bite, and can include discomfort, though not all people experience pain. Other symptoms include muscle mass aches and also convulsions, stomach discomfort, tremors, weak point, or a rise in high blood pressure. Seek medical attention promptly. Treatment consists of antitoxin, which counteracts the spider toxin, as well as pain medicines if necessary. Brown recluse spiders. Brown recluse spiders are incredibly toxic, as well as their insect attacks can cause infection as well as ailment. They are located primarily in the Midwestern as well as southeastern U.S. They are yellowish tan to dark brownish in shade with darker legs that are about 1 inch in size. They have a particular violin pattern on their back. Brownish recluse bites. Brownish recluse attacks are generally painless, but some may seem like a moderate bee sting. Signs of a brownish hermit bug bite consist of severe discomfort at the website of the bite that establishes about 4 hours after the bite, adhered to by serious irritation, nausea, vomiting, high temperature, as well as muscle pain. See a physician immediately if you believe you have actually been attacked by brown recluse spiders. A bite. If possible, bring the spider to the emergency room for appropriate identification. Head lice. Head lice are about 2 to 3 mm long, and they infest the head and neck location, usually concealed in your hair. These insects spread with direct contact with the hair of a person infested with head lice. It is most usual amongst preschool and elementary school-aged kids, as well as participants of the home of youngsters who are ravaged with head lice. Head lice are not known for spreading condition, nevertheless, they might trigger itching, and also scraping might result in infection. Head lice remedies. Therapy is advised for any person with an active problem of head lice. Pediculicides, medicines that kill lice, might be recommended by your physician. Wash all apparel as well as bed linen used by the person with these bugs. Usually, it is recommended that family members also be dealt with at the same time to prevent additional head lice infestation. Fleas not for family pets. Just fleas are not just a trouble for Fido. These blood-sucking pests bite people too. Fleas have to do with 2.5 mm long, they are reddish-brown in color, and while wingless, they can leap big ranges. They suck blood from their host to feed. Flea bites in some individuals might create an allergic reaction. Damaging. A flea bite itch can create the skin on and around the bitten area to break open, which can result in infection. Keep these pests away by ensuring all pets in your home get on flea preventative items, maintaining your home tidy, and also dealing with any type of flea invasions that may occur. B. Hornet, wasp, yellow coat. The stings of wasps, hornets, as well as yellow coats can trigger serious reactions in individuals that dislike their stings. Normal responses consist of pain, inflammation, and swelling around the site of the sting. Hornet, wasp, yellow coat stings. If you dislike hornets, wasps, or yellow jackets, seek emergency situation care promptly to prevent or manage an anaphylactic reaction. In all situations, remove the pest stinger if possible to avoid getting more venom. Tweezers may aid, and clean the sting location with disinfectant. You might take non-prescription antihistamines for itching or hives, as well as over-the-counter non-steroidal anti-inflammatories (NSAIDs) for pain as well as swelling. Fire ants. The red imported fire ant is located generally in the southern United States. They are red-brown to reddish-black as well as have a stinger. They construct large dirt piles, normally in bright areas. Insect bites from fire ants are usually painful, and will cause itchy, elevated areas on your skin, hives, complied with by pimple-like, pus-filled blisters. When a fire ant bites you, you will feel it. An itchy hive will develop. Hours later, a blister loaded with pus can form. If you suffer from a serious allergy to a fire ant bite, these pest attacks can be lethal. Look for healthcare promptly. Otherwise, to assist relieve the pain as well as irritation, usage non-prescription pain relievers as well as antihistamines. Do not damage the sores, and keep the location tidy to prevent second infection. Chiggers. Chiggers are a sort of mite from the family members known as Trombiculidae. They are hardly noticeable to the nude eye, and in their juvenile, larval form, they can bite human beings. Chiggers found in the United States do not spread condition, but their bites can cause extreme itching and little red bumps. Chigger bites. Itching from chigger attacks is most intense 1 to 2 days following the bite. When the chigger diminishes, it can leave red welts that might resemble a sore or acne. Scraping can bring about an additional infection, so treatment is guided at alleviation of itching signs. Use over-the-counter antihistamine lotions to help alleviate itching and protect against damaging. Consult your physician if you have concerns. Scabies. Scabies are termites that delve into the skin, creating extreme irritation. Scabies spread by close contact with a person plagued with scabies, or by sharing towels, sheets, and various other personal things with an individual ravaged with scabies. Treating scabies. It can take weeks after the scabies termites tunnel into the skin before you will certainly experience serious itchiness or breakout, with small sores or sores. The intense itching is typically worse during the night. A lot of commonly, the itching will be in between the fingers, on the outside of the elbow joints or armpits, around the midsection, or on the butts. Scabies can only be cured with medicated lotions, or pills. Member of the family that share a house with an individual ravaged with scabies might additionally be recommended treatment. Bed bugs. Bed bugs are red-brownish, and also less than 1 mm in size. They are frequently found in bed linen, however can also be found in areas of mess, or in old furnishings. Bed bug bites. Most of the moment, the reaction to a bed insect bite is light, and typically in the form of tiny, red, scratchy bumps. Treatment includes over-the-counter cortisone creams and antihistamines to relieve the impulse. Excessive damaging can cause a secondary infection. Puss caterpillar. The puss caterpillar, woolly slug, or asp, is the most poisonous caterpillar in the U.S., and also is located mostly in southern states. This unusual insect measures concerning 1 inch long as well as appears furry. The longer hairs camouflage backs that have venom. It feeds upon color trees such as elm, oak, as well as sycamore, or shrubs such as holly. Puss caterpillar stings. Symptoms of a puss caterpillar bite consist of prompt waves of intense pain, scratchy breakout, nausea or vomiting, restlessness, high temperature, muscle aches, and also signs of shock. If you come into contact with a puss caterpillar, get rid of the broken-off spinal columns by using cellophane tape or a commercial facial peel, and also call your doctor. Apply an ice bag and take over-the-counter antihistamines to alleviate itchiness. Scorpion stings. Scorpions relate to spiders as well as termites, as well as are located mostly in the southern and also western United States. They vary in size from regarding 9 to 21 centimeters, and also the last tail segment has the stinger that transmits a toxic substance to the recipient of a sting. Most scorpions are safe, however some can be lethal. Scorpion sting signs and symptoms consist of pain, swelling, and itching at the sting site. Serious symptoms consist of numbness, trouble ingesting, blurred vision, seizures, and trouble breathing. Seek medical interest immediately if stung by a scorpion.